If you are an international pharmacist dreaming of a pharmacy career in Germany, then this video is your complete guide. Germany continues to be one of the top destinations for international pharmacists thanks to its healthcare system, career stability, and high standard of professionalism. But before you can practice, you will need something called Approbation. That's the official license that allows you to work legally in hospitals, community pharmacies, and even apply for specialization in clinical pharmacy and toxicology. So how do you get there? First, you will need to get your degree recognized by state health authority. Then you will need to prove your German language skills and attain B2 level and pass this examination, as you can see on your screens. This word is very difficult to pronounce in English, but this is the examination that tests your ability to speak with doctors and patients. If your degree isn't fully equivalent, then you will need to either complete Adaptation internship or take this exam. This exam covers your basic German pharmacy laws, clinical practice, and pharmacology. The entire process from recognition to approval can take anywhere between 1 year to 3 years. It all depends upon your qualification and your language proficiency. And it can cost you anywhere between 1,000 euros to 2,000 euros, excluding your living expenses. But once you become a licensed pharmacist, you can work in hospital settings, pharmaceutical industries, research, and academia. And salary, entry-level pharmacists can earn anywhere between 45,000 euros to 50,000 euros, and for senior pharmacists, it can go up to 90,000 euros annually. So if you're serious about your pharmacy career in Germany, then start preparing today. Focus on your language skills first. Gather all your documents, and yes, also get the best coaching that can help you get there. Your future in Europe's one of the best healthcare system is just few steps away. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share this video, subscribe to Elite Expertise for more such updates, and yes, don't forget to hit that bell icon.